Hello everyone, I'm Audrey Besch and I'm going to present you the work I did with the research group in organic agriculture on assessing natural pest regulation in forest gardens. So I'm presenting you a study that has been done in the context of a 6 years project on PUSA, which aimed to characterize and quantify the functional biodiversity between the tree and the annual crops. We had two problematics. The first one is in the vegetables of forest gardens, is the regulation of pests influenced by the distance of vegetables to the trees? And the second one is, does the forest garden favor regulation of the pest compared to a system of orchard only and a system of market gardening only? So we assessed regulation rates in the vegetables to compare market gardening control to forest garden, and in the trees to compare forest garden to orchard control. And to assess the regulation rates, we used the method of prey beds, also called sentinel preys. So we experimentally exposed preys, and we recorded the disappearance of the preys. So we exposed them for a set period of exposure, and we recorded the disappearance. And we had two types of preys. We had predation caused with Allomorphalis eggs, so the brown marmorated stink bug, from which we could obtain a parasitism rate and a predation rate. And we secondly had artificial caterpillars to get informations on small mammals, on birds, and also on arthropods. So what concerns the result, we had this pattern on 3 of the 4 studied plots, and we could see a downward trend when we look at the predation rate as a function of the distance to the trees, but this was not a significant result. And when we compared the systems, we first looked at it in the vegetables, and we could see that with the predation cards, there is a significant difference between the market gardening control and the forest garden. And we can see that the regulation is more effective in forest garden for the brown marmorated stink bug. But that was not the case, though that was not significant with the thickened method. And in the trees, we couldn't see any significant difference. And these results are going to be completed in the next years of the project. Thank you for your attention.